my name's Susie and I have another balloon upgrade idea for you. This is focusing on back to school. We are going to need to start off with this great foil, and it has been air filled, and I did the sleeping bag roll, tied up the inflation valve with a 260 so that it's ready to be assembled. You're just going to need 8 quads. 2 of the quads are going to need to be the same exact size. These are 11-inch balloons. They have been filled up with 20 pumps each, or if you have a balloon sizer and an air inflator, 7.5 inches each. I've taken the time and I've put a weight on the bottom of one. Your other 2 quads you're going to need are going to be the same colors, and these are 5-inch balloons with just 1 pump each. Okay, you're going to take the 1 pump and put it on top of the 20 pump, and a couple of the inflation valves from the bottom. Tie it in place. And then your next quad is going to sit right on top. I don't like the colors completely matching. This should be fun and just kind of whimsical. And I'm going to take a 160 and I'm just going to do a figure 8 around these balloons to tie them together. What I do on one side, I like to do on the other. So as you can see, we just have a nice stackable unit here. Okay, to give it a little bit of fun and excitement, I've got some Q260s here, and I have curly cued them together and then tied them in a knot. Let me show you how I did that. I started with one, tied it together, and the way you do that is you first pre-inflate your 260. I'm going to wrap this around a pole that I got at Home Depot, and all we do now is we just inflate it up. Oh, that's surprising. So we'll need to start by first filling it up, letting the air out, going around making sure that it's nice and flush and flat against the pole, no ridges, no curls. Around it goes. Now here's the trick with this, is you want to just make sure that you have quite a bit of room to tie it together with your inflation valve. So when you bring this in to tie it together, just make sure that you have a long stem with the rolled end. I'm going to take and tie these 2 together. Because these are really going to need to stretch. So take the long parts, so as you can see, you have quite a bit of room here. So this is going to go around your quads to give it just a little more fun and excitement. Now you're going to take your last 1-inch quad and you're going to put it at the base of your balloon, and now you're just going to simply bring this down and tie it inside. Figure 8 around all the balloons. And there you have it. One adorable piece that's very colorful, and it'll last for a very long time. Get a couple of these out in your department today. I'm sure it'll make a really big difference. Thanks for joining us today at Mayflower. Stay tuned for more fun and exciting balloon ideas coming your way.